Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones BeOPlaye8Sport with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now we should enter until the headphones enter to pairing mode. So the LED light here should be blue, should flashing blue. Now we can see it, and also we can see headphones on the list, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!